Hey, what's up, Spore holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. My friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Spore. What's the current price of Spore? What's the price changes occur in the Spore? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel and like this video, my friends. Subscribe is very important for everyone because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you. My friends, at this time, the latest price of Spore Finance in the market is still zero. Showing here zero, my friends, but that's not mean that the exact price of the Spore Finance is zero. No, my friends, the price is zero. The price is very low price of Spore at this time in the market. That is why the price showing here is zero. So my friends, now at this time, first of all, I recommend for everyone Spore Finance is a good investment at this time in the market, because the price of the Spore is very low. And on the other side, if you look, the price changes occur in the Spore, so you can see here that the pricing is going positive and very fastly moving cryptocurrencies. So the investment price is low and the profit is high. So that's a better and perfect investment for everyone in this time in the market. My friends, from the chart of the Spore, that's clear that now they are in the jumping mood. And my friends, if they start jumping, so in the previous time the price fast down, so now they just start jumping. So that's clear that I'm sure that they will continue this time for 4 days, 5 days, and maybe for 1 week, maybe for 1 month, my friends. But they will continue this time for 4 or 1 week, my friends. My friends, on the other side, if we look, the price change occur in the last 3 days. So the price change is in the last 3 days is negative 20.96% negative. In the previous time, the price of the Spore is very badly fast down, but now at the last they start pumping, and I hope that with the passage of time the price change will become positive, my friends, and they will give you good amount of profit in the future. So especially the short-term investors, Spore Finance price is very low. Invest more and more and make a profit with the Spore. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video.